Hi, this is Shelly from Bearmy and Shelly's Adventures.
This is Bearmy.
So, I'm going to give you a basic overview of what we did today. First, we went to the New England Aquarium, and it was really fun. Then we came to Harvard. I'll let Bearmy tell you more about what we did at the aquarium.
The aquarium had many different types of fish. There was also a touch pool where you could touch rays, sharks, and many huge rays.
Yeah, there was even a leopard whiptail ray, I think.
Precisely.
You're right. Good. So, then we went on the subway and came to Harvard. It has really good architecture, and it's one of the best schools in the world. Right, Bearmy?
Uh-huh.
So, that's our day today. Oh, by the way, Bearmy, how'd you like the aquarium? Wasn't it awesome?
I think it was very, very nice, and including all the information about all the animals. Like, it was also a lobster nursery. I mean, how cool is that? A lobster nursery
With electric blue